Hi, Chase Ames with the Ames Team Realty here in St. George, here to give you your real estate market update for Southern Utah for the month of April 2025. Let's jump into it and see what happened with the sales for March to know what's going on right now. So as far as sold listings go, there were 354 compared to 394 of March of last year. So about a 10% decrease. Now, overall year to date, there have been almost a 2% decrease in the number of closed listings. But for pending listings, pendings are new properties that have new accepted offers on them. There was a 19% increase last month compared to March of last year. So 492 last month compared to 412 in March of last year. Big increase. And then so far year to date, there's been a 7% increase in the number of new pending listings. So although closings might be down almost 2%, the pendings are up. So expect for the month to follow that we will be having more closings and catching up to what's going on right now. For active listings sitting on market, there's just over 1,700 compared to just over 1,300 a year ago right now. So about a 31% increase. There's a lot more inventory. But again, that's not necessarily because homes aren't selling. That's really because there's so many more listings or new listings that have come up on market. So if you look over here for new listings, there are 628 that came up last month compared to 505 March of last year. So a 24% increase. And then year to date, there's been almost a 20% increase for new listings coming up on market. So that's really why our inventory is so high. But homes are selling and they're selling very, very well. Now, as far as average sales price goes, if you look at March of this year compared to March of last year, this year was $678,000 compared to last year of almost $627,000. So about an 8% increase, which was almost almost a $50,000 increase in the average sales price. Now for median sales price, meaning that the properties that sold right in the middle of the middle price points, it was $530,000 last month compared to about $507,000 in a year ago. So almost a 5% increase there, which is about $25,000 increase. So the reason why some of these price points might be changing is because of what's going on with interest rates. So interest rates have actually come down. They're the lowest they've been all year. They're 6.725 as of right now towards the beginning of April. And if those do continue to keep coming down, then really expect for prices to be going back up, because if history repeats itself, anytime rates come down, prices go up and vice versa. So we're here to give you anything you might ever need for real estate. We're looking forward to talking with you soon. Give us a call.